Hello world, welcome to my channel where I'm building my own digital assistant named Shane, like Jarvis from the Iron Man movies and comics. A part of my digital assistant is using Home Assistant, and I am buying solar panel products that are compatible with Home Assistant. One of them is this blue solar charge controller by Victron Energy. And then the solar panel that I bought, it doesn't matter, that doesn't need to be compatible with Home Assistant. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox my solar panel and see if I can connect it to this charge controller and see what happens. So hope you follow along. Okay, so it looks like it was delivered just fine, and that is shouldn't be surprising, but it is, because if you click here you can see a short on the last one I received that was completely destroyed when I got it from Amazon. Just looking at the back connectors, I don't think I'm going to be able to connect this to my battery charger today, because I don't believe that these connectors, yeah, see, these are connectors that go into something else and not specifically the battery controller, and I'm not comfortable disconnecting these. But I think you can buy adapters that turn into just normal wires, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. So this is me unboxing, and I hope you like what's next. Here we go. All right, so it's been about a week and a half since I posted that intro video of me getting the solar panel, and it actually is good and does not completely destroyed like the first solar panel. And then I bought this charge controller here, and since I didn't know what I'm doing, I didn't know that you needed a dongle to hook it up to the Bluetooth. So I ordered that, and that's been another week and a half, so I apologize for not having videos out on this, but it is working now. I don't know if you could see it, but see, it's on float now, even though I don't have this connected to a battery or a inverter yet. And I got this dongle right here, and you can see the Bluetooth is connected. So this is a Victron Energy here, and so I got the VE.Direct Victron Energy dongle as well, and that is connected here. And so I was able to successfully install it. And so for now, let's go to the phone and let's look at what it looks like after you download the Victron Energy app. So let's go to our phone now. Okay, I am inside my house because it is currently 104 degrees outside. And we have our VictronConnect app downloaded, so we'll click on that. And as you can see, mine is already connected, but yours won't be. It won't have the numbers at the bottom, but it will say VE.Direct Smart, and click on it. And then yours will stop at 80% and ask you for a code. It will say that most codes are 6 zeros. That's not true anymore, depending on what kind of dongle you bought. So if you just go to the back of your dongle, you should see a 6-digit PIN number. Use that, and it will reconnect you. And I had to download 2 updates. I have an iOS 18 and an iPhone 15, I believe. And the updates were relatively quick. You didn't have to restart your phone or nothing. And then it takes you to this screen, so connect it. And then after you're connected like this, about 2 minutes into running this app, it'll ask you if you want the front page right here to have these numbers, the volts I clicked yes. I do like that to be on the device list, even though we're eventually going to connect it to our Home Assistant software. But still, until that's all done, I want it on that device list. So as you can see, we are creating solar voltage. I'm not connected to a battery, so you'll see that it's producing more than 12 volts. That's because there's no load. And so, yeah, so it's official. I am creating solar power. And now now that I know this works, I'm going to buy an inverter and a battery, and then we can really start creating solar power. And so that is the app. And like I said, I have the voltage in watts in the front. So I'm currently inside my house, and you can see the Bluetooth is struggling. And I'm a little worried about that since my Home Assistant will be the farthest possible corner away from where I have my solar panel, but we'll run into that, cross that bridge when we get there. So that's all I wanted to show in the app. So let's go back outside and look at the solar panel again. All right, so now that we know that it's working, I didn't buy an inverter or a battery yet, so that's next. So that's going to be in the next video. I did buy these solar panel stands right here, and they're not good. They're not big enough for this big boy right here. So, and I think I'm going to connect it to over here where my pool equipment is in the shade, because I do know that the inverter and the battery have to not get too hot. And so that's where I'll do it here. And this one comes with large cables right here, and so there's pretty good amount of cabling, and this came with, I think, 3 feet of cable as well, so it should get me to here comfortably. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's exciting to know that I'm producing some sort of solar power energy. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I hope you consider subscribing to my channel and watch me build this. And one of the eventual goals is to get this hooked up to our Home Assistant that we have, and so I can track all of the solar panel stuff on my Home Assistant, and then eventually connect it to my large digital assistant named Shane. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing and liking it, and thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.